Multiply 5 times 2/3 times 1/3. We have a whole number times a fraction times a fraction. Whenever I multiply a whole number to a fraction, I like to make believe that that whole number is a fraction, which is easy. You could turn any whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So now I could view this as 5 over 1 times 2 over 3 times 1 over 3. Now, when you multiply two fractions, you multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. The rules don't change when you multiply three fractions. So I'm going to multiply these three numbers in the numerator together, straight across the top, and I'm going to multiply these three numbers in the denominator together, straight across the bottom. So numerator first, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 1 is still 10. The numerator becomes 10. The denominator, 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. That's your denominator. Now, that is an improper fraction. I want to turn it into a mixed number. How do we do that? See how many times 9 goes into 10. Well, I know 9 goes into 10 once, so we'll do 1 times 9, which is 9. We'll subtract. That gets us 1. And that 1 that's left over, with no more numbers to drop down, becomes your remainder. So that 1 becomes a remainder of 1. How can I change all of this into a mixed number? Well, the quotient of 1 becomes your whole number that lives out in front. The remainder of 1 becomes your new numerator. And the denominator of 9 remains the old denominator of 9. So when all is said and done, we get 1 and 1/9.